Hey everyone, welcome, and this is our look at the new Leafeon Build-A-Bear plushie. Now this is actually the first Build-A-Bear plushie that I've ever bought. You know, I'm a 32-year-old guy, so I didn't even have it in the cards really to buy a Build-A-Bear plushie, but I knew that as kind of a Leafeon collector, I was going to buy one if they ever released it, and it seemed like they would, and this week was when they did that. So anyway, this is what it looks like. Being unfamiliar with, Build-A-Bear plushies, I didn't know that it was going to have like kind of a standing, it was just gonna be able to stand, but that's actually awesome because for me, this is not like, you know, going in my bed or anything. It will be going on a shelf. So for display purposes, that's actually really nice for me. Now, I think that overall it looks pretty good. Kind of chunky. I think, you know, like all the dimensions, just everything is kind of big, looks kind of big, and like even, I don't know, like they made this weird head thing, like it's supposed to be a cute leaf, right? Kind of leafy, like foliage like design there, but it just looks kind of like a weird thing, bulge on the back of its head. So I don't know that it's really a Leafeon design that I'm super keen about, but I think that they got like the main things right. I think like the head, I don't know what you want to call it really, but like the crest looks nice, you know, the ears do look nice, and the tail looks really good too. So I'll let you hear what it sounds like. I'll bring actually the mic over to its foot here. Now, I don't know what Build-A-Bear buyers really look for in their sounds. I would have preferred not to have had any like mechanical sound function in it, but that is actually not something you can choose when you're buying it. So that will come in included. And actually, just looking through the video here, looks like there's some discoloration. I mean, it almost looks like a mold, which is not good. I don't know if it's mold or dirt, so I'm gonna have a closer look at that after the video. But that is disappointing, and let me tell you why. I'll put Leafeon back here for a second. Let's take a look at its accessories. But that is disappointing because at $65 starting out, it is not a cheap plushie. So these are also, it's sold in a bundle, only available in a bundle, and this is like, it's like pajamas or something, which I think for kids, obviously super fun. I don't know that I'm going to be displaying it in pajamas, but we'll see. So $65 base price for the pajamas, and its little cape thing. You can see there's like a little hole for the tail. You have the Build-A-Bear logo tag, and then the other side is not printed. But for $65, they added $10 shipping onto that, and then also with tax that was another $5. So total, it actually cost $80, which, like, I'm trying to rack my brain right now, I believe is the most I've ever spent on a plush item. I don't think that would be unreasonable to say. I've never spent $80 on a plush item. And then, like, you know, comparing it to the Pokemon centers, Leafeon, obviously, you know, they don't have ones that are quite like this. There is a sleeping series of EV Buddies. Unfortunately, they are sold out of Leafeon, and I regret not buying it when I had the chance to, when it was in stock. But, you know, there's nothing that quite matches what the Build-A-Bear offers. And like what I was saying on the head, I think this looks more natural. Like it looks more like tufts, you know, like almost like an onion-like. Maybe you guys don't see it that way. But with the Build-A-Bear's blocky features, it looks like a nub. So there are some things that I don't like about this design, but I just want to give you guys a look at the new plushie. And I don't know, I almost feel like I'm going to contact support, because even if this is, you know, just an issue, let me see if how close my video is gonna let me focus here. But even if this were just dirt, and beyond just me, like other Pokemon fans, if they're getting similarly marked plushies, like that's not great. So for the sake of me and other collectors who might be out there, I think it is important to contact them about that. I also have the Sitting Cutie. So this is the Sitting Cutie Leafeon compared to the Build-A-Bear Leafeon. You can tell there's a huge size difference there. And this is actually the latest Pokemon Center Leafeon figure, and this is part of the Easter collection. You guys know I had to pick up the Easter Leafeon. It's actually a keychain thing. I hate these plastic key rings that they add in the US. But this is the newest Pokemon Center Leafeon, and this is the Build-A-Bear Leafeon. So anyway, I hope you guys found this insightful. This video is really just for people if they are interested in the Leafeon but not sure if they want to shell out for the money, give you guys kind of a 360 of what it looks like, and then also maybe pitfalls of what you may encounter. But otherwise, let me know if you have any comments in the, well, let me know if you have any comments in the comments, or questions in the comments rather, and I'll try to answer those. Quick reminder that we are giving away a Raihan Nendoroid, so please enter if you want to get Raihan and his Duraludon. So this is definitely something cute, and make sure you enter before the end of March. So thanks everyone, take care, and have a great weekend.